In this video we're going to be replacing serpentine belt and tensioner on 2013 Subaru Outback. The procedure should be very similar on all Outbacks from 2013 to probably 2019, maybe even newer. The reason I'm changing tensioner as well is because when vehicle is running it shakes a little. Maybe new one will do same, but I got it for pretty cheap, so it's worth a try. I'm gonna start with removing serpentine belt cover. It's a 10mm bolt. And just pull this up. Now I'm gonna lose tension. That's a 15mm bolt. I'm gonna use this serpentine belt tool. Now I'm gonna remove the belt. Try to remember how the belt is routed, but if you don't remember, you could always find it online as well. Belt is not that bad. No cracks on this side. Now I'm gonna remove the tensioner, and bolt is in there. Looks like it needs a hex socket. Looks like size is hex 8. So they look very similar, little different numbers in the back, but font, everything look the same, so I'm pretty sure it's authentic. I could be wrong, of course. They make fake ones really good as well, but to me it looks like it's real one. Now when installing it, this one should be somewhere on the top, probably right at 12 o'clock, but obviously make sure it goes in fully. And that should go in a hole over there. Looks like it's in. Torque specs is 25 Newton meters or 18.4 foot-pounds, which is not much at all, so don't over tighten it. And that's it. Now we're gonna install serpentine belt. I decided to go with Continental. Gonna install the belt now. Then just check everything, make sure everything aligns. Looks good. Before putting everything back together, start the vehicle and make sure it's working good. By the way, I removed this piece here. Helped me to guide tensioner better. It's up to you if you want to do that. It looks definitely better. This one's not shaking like it used to be. So now I'll put everything back together. $10mm bolt. And that's it. That's how you replace serpentine belt and tensioner on 2013 Subaru Outback. I'll provide Amazon and eBay affiliate links for tools and parts I used in this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.